Hi everyone, and welcome back to this episode on Titi's Corner. Today we are going to be making some nice and beautiful looking chin chin. But before we get into the ingredients, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and hit the subscription button so you get all the videos I upload. So right here we have half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a cup of milk, 2 sticks of butter, 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 eggs, 2 cups of oil for frying. Now let's get into the mixing. Now we are going to mix everything together. Let's start with the dry ingredients. Everything goes inside. We mix everything until it is well combined. Now that all our dry ingredients are well combined, the first thing that goes inside here is our butter. As you can see, my butter is at room temperature. It's going to help me to do the mixing. It makes it easy for me. So I'm going in with my hands. Next thing that goes in here is our egg. We have to beat the egg a little bit. That's okay. It goes in. And we continue the mixing. Make sure you get a bowl that is open and easy for you to do the mixing. At this point that everything is well combined, we are going to start adding our milk, bit by bit. You have to add in and keep mixing. Continue mixing until you are done with all the milk. As you can see, I transfer my chin chin to my work surface, so it will be easy for me to continue mixing. At this point, we start adding our half a cup, the one we had for dusting. You have to mix until your hands are clean. That is, nothing should be sticky on your hands. At that point, you will know that everything is good. So you can see our chin chin is almost ready. Add until you see that it's no more sticky on your hands. This half cup is very important. As you can see, our chin chin is ready. My hands are clean, nothing sticky. So at this point, our chin chin is ready. Now that the dough is ready, it's up to you. You can start spreading it out and start cutting the chin chin to get it ready to fry. See, the chin is ready. Nice and soft. Now that everything is ready, it's time to start cutting out our chin. So we start spreading it out and roll it out. At this point, it depends on you. If you want it light or thick, it all depends on you. It's easy this way. Cut out the desired sizes. I have to sprinkle some flour on the tray. You cut out your desired sizes, sprinkle a little bit of flour on top, and you put it in the tray so it will not stick together. Now that our oil is hot, it's time to start putting in our chin. Try not to overcrowd the frying pan. Chin is one of the things that needs attention. So you have to be close to your frying pan to check it always. Alright guys, our chin is ready. Take a look. Just take a look. Look at how nice looking it is. Beautiful looking. It's so soft. Yes, right here. See? Look at that. So nice. So guys, go ahead and try my recipe and leave a comment below. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe so you get all my videos. And for the full recipe, I will leave in the description box. Alright guys.